Hello, Class 8 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have completed Indian National Congress, the moderate period, and the extremist period. We have also seen the leaders of moderate period and the extremist period. Today we start with lesson 11A, the national movement, the early phase 1885-1919, the last topic, that is Swadeshi movement, boycott, Vande Mataram movement. What is Swadeshi movement? A movement for national independence in India, boycotting foreign goods and encouraging the use of domestic product. When Lord Curzon, then Viceroy of India, announced the partition of Bengal in July 1905, Indian National Congress initiated Swadeshi movement in Bengal. This movement helped to promote Indian industries and strengthen the nation economically. It was developed patriotism among Indians. Now we have seen what is Swadeshi movement. Now we come to the next topic. What is boycott movement? Boycott movement means the policy of refusal to buy foreign, particularly British goods. The primary aim was to boycott British products and only consume products that are produced in India. This movement was started with a view to end the partition of Bengal. It extended to boycott of British school, colleges and offices. Indian barbers and washermen also refused to serve the British. Partition of Bengal. Bengal was the largest provinces in the British, including Bihar and parts of Orissa. This partition came into effect in 1905. Partition of Bengal came into effect under Lord Curzon, the then Governor General. Throughout Bengal, no cooking was done, and shops and market places were closed. In Calcutta, now the present name Kolkata, a hartal was declared. People took out processions and bathed in the Ganga in the morning and parade on the streets singing Vande Mataram. What is Vande Mataram movement? The salient feature or the important feature of this movement, which was started in 1905, were to encourage Swadeshi goods and to boycott foreign goods. Foreign goods were collected and burnt openly with the slogan Vande Mataram. School children and college students played an important role in this movement. This movement is also known as Swadeshi movement. It was anti-Bengal partition movement. Anti-Bengal partition movement means against the partition of Bengal. Vande Mataram is a song written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, became the prayer song for meeting on anti-partition movement. Home rule movement. Home rule movement means a self-rule of our country people in our country, that is India. Home rule movement. This movement lasted around 2 years between 1916-1918 and is believed to have set the stage for the stage for independence movement under the leadership of Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The purpose of this movement was to attain a dominant status of India and freedom from British rule. Bal Gangadhar Tilak gave the slogan to the people, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Recapitulation. Learn the following question and answers. What is Swadeshi and boycott movement? What was the aim of British in dividing Bengal? Meet you in the next session with a new topic. Until then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. I am Mrs. Suhail Sultana, Social Studies teacher.